Hello, my name's Andrew Lemon from the Edge Software Consultancy. Today I'm going to talk to you about the BioRails Master Data Management module. Master Data Management should be the foundation of any good quality data management system. The objectives of this presentation are to describe the concept of master data management and its application within the biopharmaceutical and pharmaceutical industry, and show how to use the BioRails Master Data Management module, and then show an example of how to use that master data within Morphit and Excel. Let's log into BioRails as the admin user. And then we'll look inside the BioRails data catalogue. The BioRails data catalogue provides a categorized list of concepts with a range of different implementations for each concept. These concepts are arranged into a tree, where the deeper the levels of the tree, the more specialized are those concepts. For example, if we look in the inventory section, we can see that we have biological inventory concepts, chemical inventory concepts, and container objects. For example, under the biological ones, we have a further categorization of animal concepts, biologics, and neurotoxins, and targets. This conceptual tree provides a characterization of the metadata within the system. Under each concept, there are a series of implementations of the concept. For example, here we have something called a supplier, which is implemented as a tree-style lookup. There are basically 5 different types of lookups: an internal list, which is implemented within the BioRails system; an open list, which allows new entries to be added during the operation of the lookup; and a SQL lookup, which allows you to access lookups from external systems and federate the master data within the BioRails catalog. There's also a model-based lookup, which allows you to build extra business logic on the external system. For example, for a compound lookup, we can bring back the molecular weight, structure, and formula. The final implementation is a tree-based lookup. For an example of this, let's go into the other section of the catalogue under Organization Parameters, and we can look at some of the dictionary lookups that are available. If we look at the brain regions lookup, this provides us with a hierarchical lookup for the different brain regions. So for example, if I type in forebrain and then a slash, it will give me all of the subdivisions of the forebrain. Similarly, if I type in penile body and a second slash, it will give me the subdivisions of that category as well. So in this way we can implement hierarchical lookups. In this way, all of the master data from across the organization can be federated together and categorized into the master data catalog. From here, this master data can be served out to other applications. Let's take a look at one of those. Morphit is a dimensional spreadsheet application. What we'll do is create a new table, add 2 fields to it. One we'll call brain region, and the other one we'll call compound. I then pick up the BioRails dictionary tool on the left-hand tool menu, and we'll drop that onto both of those columns. First of all, what we'll do is log on. So we'll log on to the system. This allows us to connect to the master data catalog and make use of the terms. We then go to the lookup. It'll present to us a list of all the catalog entries that are available from the connected BioRails system. So this is looking within the master data management concept, and what we're going to do is look for the lookup compounds. and use that within this system. We'll then access the brain regions one, and again we'll look up brain regions. Now if I again use this lookup and start typing in, you can see it presents that dictionary federated from the external source or internal to BioRails, and I can use the dictionary within this environment. Similarly for this one, if I start typing in, it'll present to me a certain set of matches to that criteria. So in this way I can use the master data within this environment. The second example I'll show you is Excel. So again, this time we'll use the BioRails add-in. We'll log on to the system. This is now downloading the tasks into the Excel sheet. Now we can see we've downloaded a series of parameters and metadata into this Excel sheet. If I then switch on these dictionaries, I can then look up the compound within, again, the same BioRails metadata and use it in the cell sheet. Similarly for this one, I may want to look up the species lookup. Again, I can pick up that particular species. So just to round up, what I've done is describe to you the concept of master data management within a pharmaceutical context. I've shown you how to define master data and federate it from various sources in the organization within the BioRails Master Data Management module, and then show you how to make use of that master data within both the Morphit spreadsheet and Excel spreadsheets environments. Thank you for your attention.